In this video, I'll guide you through how you can change your Microsoft account in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. At the beginning, you need to click on your Windows key and search for settings. Once you come to this page, then click on your accounts, then scroll down and tap on your info. Then you'll find this option, sign in with a local account instead, and click on it. Now click on next and type a PIN. Now type your desktop username, then type new password and confirm the new password and give a password hint and click on next. Now click on sign out and finish. After sign out from a Microsoft account, again click on your Windows key and search for settings. Now click on accounts, then scroll down and your info. Now click on sign in with a Microsoft account instead and sign in with a new Microsoft account. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily change Microsoft account in Windows 11.